The following message is transmitted at the request of the Alabama Emergency Management Agency. At 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, the public reported multiple sinkholes forming due to mass flash flooding across all of Alabama. All residents in Alabama are advised to seek shelter immediately. Evacuating is also a good way to protect your life from these sinkholes. If you do not follow these precautions, you will face certain death. Stay tuned for more updates on this life-threatening situation. Seek shelter or evacuate now. Seek shelter or evacuate now. Seek shelter or evacuate now.